Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. Happy Halloween for those that celebrate. No unboxing today, no haul, no swatching, no box per se, but I have this box here, and this is a box that I got from Influencer that you can see the size of the box. Not huge, but big enough, and this is packed up tight. And it is full to the top right here. I don't want to show you what's inside. Today we're going to do a quick little giveaway for Halloween. Give back to you on normally trick or treat. You give candy. Well, I'll give away a box full of makeup. So this, like I said, is a full box. I'll have to like push that down in there and maybe get some, see if I can squeeze some foam in there. But this is the box that I'm going to give away. I didn't want you to see anything. In the description box down below is the email that you have to email in order to enter to win this box. Keyword is popping up on the screen as I speak. Not saying it. It's popping up. 3 seconds it pops up and that's it. So you'll email me at the address below in my description box with the keyword. Your address, your full name and address would be helpful. If you choose not to, just email me the keyword, and if you win, then you'll send me your address. However you're comfortable doing it at this point. I'm not splitting hairs over that. I know some people don't want to do that, and that's, you know, perfectly fine. I get it. So today obviously is October 31st, last day of October. This will end on November, I think it's the 6th. Yes, November 6th. So it's just a week, right? 6 days technically. Ends on November the 6th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The winner will be announced the following Sunday, which is November 13th. One winner, somebody will win that box. There are a wide variety of products. There's a few brushes, highlighter, blush. There's some lip products. I think there's an eyeliner. I don't know if there's a mascara. I know there's 2 palettes in there. I'm trying to think what else is in there. I'm really not sure. I lost track when I filled it. I will repackage it. Like I'll play my little Tetris game there and get it pretty full. But one winner. So it's just my way of giving back. I did not really do any giveaways this month, so I figured, well, it is Halloween, so rather than have a regular unboxing, which I have boxes, but they'll just show up the first week of November, I wanted to do a quick little giveaway to let you know I appreciate all of you. And you must email me. There's no way around it. And do not use the keyword in the comment section down below. Doesn't count. As all you're doing is letting everybody know what the keyword is, because there are plenty of people that do not watch the entire video. So good luck to all of you that email me. You will get a response back from me. If you have followed all of the rules in this description box. I have people that email that aren't publicly subscribed. You don't get a second shot. I tried to help somebody out giveaway before, and whether they just weren't, I'm trying to understand what I was hinting around, because I couldn't flat out tell them. That's not fair to everybody that entered properly. If you're not publicly subscribed, you send me an email, you're not going to get a response, because I'm not telling you have to be publicly subscribed. It's the first rule in the description box for the rules. It's that simple. Publicly subscribed. Comment in this video. That's required. You still have to comment in this video, give it a thumbs up, and shoot me an email with the keyword. Address or no address, your choice. Doesn't matter to me. Open to everyone. Doesn't matter where you live to me. Stay tuned, because the beginning of November is my Unbox It playlist winner. The secret $25 gift card giveaway winner. I think that's it. You know, like my normal rating my boxes for October. Faves and fails for October will all be like in the first week. I think I have a small little Dollar Tree haul that you'll see in the beginning of November. A whole bunch of things. I still have a couple boxes. I still have, I don't know where my Ipsy Plus is, by the way. That could be lost in the mail. I still have a handful of boxes to pop up in the early part of November, also till all my normal monthly boxes start shipping and arriving. So thanks to for all your support throughout the year so far. I greatly appreciate it. Have a wonderful day, and if you take your little ones out, you know, for Halloween, have fun. You know, stay safe, be careful. I know it's a crazy world out there these days. Just thankful I don't have little kids. It's nothing like it was when we were all younger, especially when I was younger. You know, we'd be out there for till it was like 10, 11 o'clock. Now they do a lot of like school and church parties, you know, to the mall, things like that. It's just, like I said, a crazy world out there. You can't, you know, unless you know your neighbors, you know, you can't really trust people anymore. And that is so sad for all the little kids that love Halloween, that look forward to it. So if you take your kiddos out, have a good time, stay warm, and I'll see all of you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye now.